Today we're 3D printing a Firebird Trans Am. So this 3D model is free and the original designer here has done an amazing job. Links in the description below if you want to go give it a go yourself. And this also has a few alternate options so you can do different hoods and such with this model. And you can see here we're first of all putting together the wheels with the hubs and the tires. And I've gone for grey with the tires just to give it a different look overall. And then we've got the separate hood, which I decided to go with a black look here. And this is the one part I'd change because the windows are also black. So I don't think it ends up looking as good as it could. I tried to gloss up the windows and have the hood be matte, but I don't think it makes enough of a difference. So that's the one thing I'd go back and change and either just go for a simple white hood or do something else with it. But overall, this is still going to end up looking really cool. You can see here I'm attaching all the windows. These are pretty simple, just print them off and then you just glue them into place and that's done. And overall, very happy with the look of this vehicle. You can see though that the bonnet there and the front window just end up looking too much of one piece. And yeah, my only regret so far. Now, after that, we're going to flip it over and attach the wheels. These are done simply by putting pegs in and then gluing this all up. They can spin, but I decided to just glue them up so that they don't. Because I don't think with the shape of the wheels here, which are tunified, that really having them turn is much of a useful thing. Because of that shape, they're going to move a bit weird when you're trying to rotate them. And that's the thing about this vehicle, it is a tunified car, so the wheels flare out. It's supposed to emulate those old school drawings you used to do in high school, where the car wheels would be flared and big compared to reality. And as a result, you end up with a cool looking 3D model that I think is very unique. And the designer of this has done quite a few of these different models, and I've covered them on this channel and I really freaking love doing them. Now we've got the front lights. Now these do have separate inserts that originally I was going to put on. I was going to paint them white and have them look like headlights. But when I ended up putting this together, which ended up needing a hammer to do, because these basically have no wiggle room at all. So I was whacking them in with a hammer in order to get these in. They probably did not need any glue. But once I put these in, I was like, I actually really like the metallic look of them. So I decided not to add the inserts at all. And yeah, I think overall ends up looking even meaner for some reason. So here she is, complete. Very happy. You can see that front. I like them. And you can insert these lights in, but I'm just not going to. I think the way it looks here just gives it a more muddied look, like something from Need for Speed or something like that. And yeah, I think this looks incredibly good, so very, very happy with it. Now, if you like this kind of video, leave a comment below and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. I love checking out all these different free 3D models that are out there, and some of them are absolutely sensational, like this one here. And major props to the original designer. Again, they're linked in the description below.